Good morning. We're going to have our last practice with equations with fractions, which you can call them fractions or just with divisions, right? Type of which a fraction is a division. So on your worksheet, the first one you have is this one. Remember that we cross multiply, then we distribute, and then we solve. So let's cross multiply x and 2. That is 2x. The coefficient, the number goes first and then goes the variable. Otherwise, we'll have x2. And in mathematics and algebra, we always put the number first and then the letter. So 2x, and then we multiply the other part, 4 times 3. Now 2 times x is 2x, and 4 times 3 is 12. Now I need to solve for x. Since the 2 is multiplying x, I can divide by 2 both sides to keep the balance. And these two get cancel each other. And so my x is equal to 12 divided by 2. And that is 6. The value of 6 is, is 6. If you put x here, it will make the equation true. Let's go to number 12. We also cross multiply. So let's cross multiply. The 8 is going to multiply. I'm going to open parentheses to mean that it's going to multiply the whole expression, which is x plus 2. Now I copy the equal, and the 6, I do the same for the other side. The 6 is going to multiply 2x minus 10. Now I need to do distribution. There was no distribution here. Over here, the 8 needs to multiply the x. So that is 8x. And then the 8 multiplies the 2 plus, because it's a plus and there are no negatives. 8 times 2 is 16. And let's distribute the other side. 6 times 2 is 12. Don't forget the x. And then 6 times minus 10. A positive and a negative makes a negative. 6 times 10 is 60. Now let's move variables to one side. So let's take away this 12x by subtracting them, doing the opposite on both sides. So 8x minus 12x gives me negative 4x. Let's bring down the 16. It's a plus 16. And this is equal. These x's have cancelled each other. And I am left with a negative 60. Now, let's get rid of the plus 16. We don't get rid of the minus 4 because there is a multiplication here. And we first undo in the inverse of order of operations, meaning we first undo addition and subtraction. So let's undo this 16 by taking them away on both sides. So here I bring down the minus 4x. This 16 and plus 16 and minus get 0. And that is equal to minus 60 minus 16. And that is negative 76. And now I see that the minus 4 is multiplying the x. So I can divide both by negative 4. Don't forget to put the symbol too. Both sides by negative 4. And that way these two 4 get cancelled. And I am only left with the x. And that x is equal to negative 76 divided by negative 4. I am divided two negatives, therefore my answer will be positive. 76 divided by 4 is 19. Okay, you try and do your practice in your worksheet. I hope you have a good day.